Here we come to the elevators at the administration building at North Carolina Central University in Durham, North Carolina. Now, before I get started with this, if you guys have epilepsy and are too sensitive to flashing lights, I highly suggest that you don't watch this video because I may not be responsible for your sensitivity, because I just rode one of these elevators not too long ago and the lights in the back were flickering so rapidly, and it may not be the most comfortable for you guys. So just as a fair reminder, and I'm sorry if I have to say this because normally I don't mention something like this in my video, but you'll see why. For those of you who are okay watching this video, but for those who are sensitive, this is the time to click off. But anyways, let's right, here we go. This is the only elevator car right here that is working. Flashing lights. And it's an Otis, much like the one in the student center. Three. G. Or what ended up at 1. And there's your ADA phone, installed in 1990. NCCU Elevator Lovers recorded this before. Alright, there it goes. And as you see, that right elevator car doesn't work. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.